Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will see a new feature that was added in Prodigy 4.5, the screenshot feature. On the Connect 12, you can take a screenshot anywhere by pressing and holding the volume down and the power button at the same time for a couple of seconds. This could be very useful, for example, if I am navigating a page and I would like to do an OCR on the page. Let's try it. I will go to my Chrome application that I have already added to my Quick Access application. Once I have loaded my Chrome, I have a page here that I would like to do some OCR on. I will press and hold the power button and the volume button for about 2 seconds. As you saw, the capture was taken. It will be stored automatically in my gallery under the Screenshots folder. There's another way to take a screenshot using the Connect 12. As you can see at the bottom, there is a little camera button on the status bar. This can be added when you go into your settings in Android. So let me just show you. I will go back to my Prodigy, press and hold 5-finger on the screen to go out into my Android. Go into settings. In settings, there will be an option called Screenshot Setting. Tap on it, and in this window, the last option at the bottom is Show the Screenshot button in the status bar. Just have to put on the checkbox. Once the checkbox is activated, the little camera at the bottom will appear. Now, as I was telling you, these screenshots will be all stored in my gallery under the Screenshots folder. So in Gallery, the Screenshots folder is beside my Distance folder on the left in the gallery. Here we see my screenshot. If I would like to do some OCR or optical character recognition on this page to be able to read it out in my preferred contrast or zoom level, you just have to move it into the gallery. Press and hold on the screenshot. In the action menu, select Move to Gallery. This will move the screenshot inside the root of my gallery. And as soon as the OCR will pass on it, it will identify some words and rename the file as we saw here live. If I tap on my screenshot, I will see that my Diamond Edge font has been all replaced the normal font of this web page. So I can zoom in as far as I want with the great image quality that we know from the Connect 12. And I can start reading by pressing the play button or at any location in the page. Thank you for listening.